Hi everybody, I'm Elena from Roeno winery, and today we are going to taste together our Marzemino La Rua. Doesn't the name Marzemino sound melodic? In fact, Marzemino was the favorite wine of Mozart, and it's mentioned in his most famous opera Don Giovanni. Probably Marzemino was his favorite wine because it's a red ancient variety from Trentino, rich in acidity and in antioxidants. Our Marzemino La Rua is 100% Marzemino, coming from the vineyard La Rua, and the winemaking process is the regular one for red wine, then fermentation and maturation only in stainless steel tanks. Let's see the color. It's a purple light red. The bouquet is fruity with red fruit, cherry, raspberry and a little bit of spicy. Fresh, light, with a crispness that dominates. Also very persistent on the mouth. My personal tip is to try a little bit chilled. Thank you!